Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. My impressions coming up. Yesterday morning, I put out a video announcing the arrival of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. And then last night on Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live, we had a wonderful discussion regarding the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Tonight, I thought I would give you my impressions after having had a chance to sift through all the information. So we're just going to jump right into it. Now, the first thing that I wanted to talk about was this. DJI has added 3 features on the Phantom 4 Pro, one of them being significant, and they've not changed the price. It is still $1,499 USD. I think that's an incredible, remember that again. They have added 3 features onto it, and they haven't increased the price. The next thing, we're going to jump into several slides that I have here. So on the first slide, and these are directly, by the way, from DJI, the new Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 features an Occusync HD transmission system, which supports automatic dual frequency band switching and connects to DJI goggles wirelessly. Then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next slide. New Occusync video transmission. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0's remote controller uses Occusync video transmission, which employs time division multiplexing technology to send control signal and receive video signals simultaneously. When the controller is powered on, the Occusync system scans for the frequency band with the lowest interference and switches accordingly to maintain clear transmission. Also, thanks to Occusync, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 wirelessly connects to DJI goggles. Free from cable constraints, you can enjoy exciting FPV flight at speeds of up to 72 kilometers per hour, 45 mile per hour in S mode. Okay. And it also states here too, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 controllers are not compatible with the Phantom 4 Pro. That's just something that they do want to let you know. Next slide, see a different world. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 wirelessly connects to DJI goggles, putting you directly in the heart of the action with dual LTPS displays that offer a high-quality 1080p live camera view with an 85-degree FOV. Connected via Occusync, users can experience fast and clear FPV flight with incredibly low latency. Plus, controlling your Phantom with DJI goggles is more intuitive than ever. Just enable head tracking, which allows you to move the aircraft or gimbal simply by turning your head. We're going to stop right there at that point. I'm going to have some more slides to share here in a second. Want to make some points about Occusync. Now, Occusync currently is only on the DJI Mavic Pro, but that Occusync only has 1 transmission band. It does not have 2. This Occusync 2.0 has 2 bands on it, and if you understood what I said, it switches between the 2 based upon what has the greater capacity at the time. That enables you to get a almost crystal clear feed back to your back to whatever's running your DJI Go 4 app. That is significant. That's a significant update. And also too, what else is significant is a lot of people really like DJI goggles. I think they're fantastic. I haven't had a chance to use them yet, but I would love to have a hands-on experience with it. You can be able to connect these wirelessly now with the new Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 because of the new Occusync. I think that's huge. I think that's fantastic, and a lot of people, like I said, are really use the goggles a lot. So let's go ahead and move on to the next slide. It's called quieter propulsion. New aerodynamic 9455S propellers and new FOC ESC drivers offer improved noise control and sinusoidal circuit for increased stability. Aircraft noise has been reduced by up to 4 decibels, 60% for quieter, more enjoyable flights. Now, the asterisk on it says, while indoors and within 3.28 feet, 1 meter of the aircraft. So, in other words, with this, you are getting a quieter aircraft. Again, this is very much in tune with what happened with the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, getting the new ESCs and new propellers, and it definitely has reduced the noise as far as that's concerned. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next slide, and this is something I found very interesting. It's a comparison chart between the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, the Phantom 4 Pro, and the Phantom 4 Advanced. And one of the things that kind of stands out to me is weight, battery, and propellers included. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 weighs 1375 grams. The Phantom 4 Pro weighs 1388 grams, so it weighs 13 grams less. I know that may not seem like a lot, but you know, every gram is significant in terms of your, in terms of the aircraft performance. So this is something that I really believe is significant here. One of the other things that I wanted to talk about too, after, you know, again, having to digest all of this, you know, as far as the Phantom 5 is concerned, I'm sticking with a late third quarter, early fourth quarter release, as I've stated in some of my previous videos. But again, you know, I really believe because of this, this is going to satisfy that need up until late third quarter, early fourth quarter. One of the other things too, and we had some discussion about this last night, this was what I had referred to as a soft release. And this is something that I had alluded to in one of my videos, stating that DJI was going to do this without a lot of fanfare and a lot of marketing behind it. In fact, it appeared out on their website. That's how you knew it was out there. Now, one of the other things that I'd like to point out too is, I know I've seen a lot of questions from people. For instance, who is this drone for? This is my, and again, this is my personal opinion. Let me back up here for a second. What I'm about to tell you is my personal opinion based upon my knowledge and experience with DJI and DJI drones. This is something I believe is for somebody who, and I'll give you a good example here. Somebody who has a Mavic Pro, who wants to upgrade to a professional drone, who's looking to maybe use it for real estate, for roof inspections, golf course inspections, who knows what, but in a professional capacity. This fills the void. And this person doesn't want to wait for the Phantom 5 because they have no idea when it's coming out. This is the type of person that I believe, in my opinion, is perfect for this drone. And I really, you know, I really think it's going to do well. I think it's going to sell well. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter page, where I do post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.